Ooh. Oh, this is gonna fall. I need a better tripod. What's up, guys? So today we're going to the Eastside Studio Tour here in Austin, which, for those of you who don't know what that is, this is when 200 artists will open up their studios and their houses so you can see how they work, have a chance to get some free food and drink, and have a chance to purchase some of their goods, which is awesome because the whole festival is free. And so today, you guys are coming with. So the other thing that's really cool about this festival is you're able to see the culture and connection that's here in the art community. A lot of times, because there's not a lot of galleries and boutiques and shops here in the city, it's sometimes kind of hard to support those local artists. So this is a great way to not only pick up something awesome for your house or get a gift, but give back to the community and pick up a piece that actually has some value and meaning. Anyways, I'm excited about what we find. So the thing that's amazing about Justine, the place we're going to eat, is this was one of the first places on the east side that was at that time out in the middle of nowhere that built a restaurant for the sake of just creating something funky and that they were excited about. I think the takeaway from that is if you're trying to create or build anything, if you build something for you that you're excited about that you can't find anywhere else,
your people will come.
So brunch was awesome. Now the next thing on the list is we're gonna hit up Springdale Station. Springdale Station has over 50 artists, and what's nice is you can see so many artists together in one ecosystem. It's gonna be very much different versus seeing other artists in their own homes, which is a little bit more of a personal one-on-one experience. Before we go, I wanna show you guys the inside of this room. Let's see, is there anybody in here? Guys, check this place out. And so guys, the thing that I think is so incredible about this festival is you're able to see spaces unlike your own, unlike things that you see in the corporate world, because no one's trying to please anybody else. They're just creating for them. So we're here at stop number 1. This is at Central Machine Works. I have loved this building for so long. Just look at it. So we're now at Drinks Lounge. E.A.S.T was cool. I didn't capture everything that I wanted to capture, but now it's time to replenish because we still have tomorrow. Anyways, if you guys are ever in Austin 2 weekends before Thanksgiving, I highly suggest you guys come by, check out everything that E.A.S.T has to offer. Anyways, see ya.